Hello, and welcome back to another video on the Phantom Gaming YouTube channel. Today, we see Phantom Freshmen play their first match of the circuit, against Papa and Sons. The Phantom Freshmen and Pirate Phantom teams from last season have merged and added IGL rookie GabesShadow to form what hopefully could be a Tier 3 super team, but it will have to all start here. Let's see how Gabe and the rest of Freshmen do in their first match together.
Hey, Pop's lag.
Look at my crazy ping! Hey, alright.
I'll be back. Everybody get your fucking pops together.
Oh my god!
Damn.
Wow, okay. Nice shot.
I love you too, Phantom.
Oh, yeah.
What the? This is such a betrayal story, bro.
Oh my god, Pop. You're ping.
He sent me flying.
Am I the only one with stable internet in here?
Alright.
Mine's good.
Stable.
I'm on East too.
We might have to sub
My Wi-Fi
just because of internet.
I relaxed. I'm fine.
I can't.
I've done one. Send
Yeah.
it.
Okay. I got. Oh crap, never mind.
I can't.
I'll turn back any boost.
I got demoed.
Yeah. I'm just making it. I'm not gonna
behind
flip that.
you.
See you?
Oh,
Oh.
I wasn't quick enough. 50 off.
I'm back.
Up.
Might be able to grab that once he touches it. I'll just go back. I got rammed.
I'm back.
I'm getting bumped.
It's all good.
I mean, I like sideways through one.
Oh, I thought you were back. My bad. I was playing risky then.
All good.
Yeah.
Oh,
I don't
think
know.
you have that.
I don't
I'll go.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, that's even worse.
Yeah.
Nice.
I came back right.
Got beaten.
I got
Ooh, okay.
up to you.
I have literally. I'm gonna get in right and then just. I got 10 minutes.
Oh,
I got. No, never mind. I'm so bad.
I'm boost.
Awkward. Got that?
Watch for shot.
I got. Bang.
Yep.
Come on.
Oh, I want to probably push up too far. This one. Way behind you.
Taking that boost. Got that? Nice.
Oh, just
Oh,
off. Good try.
I got.
Got.
Up. Yep.
I'm back.
I'm low boost.
I
I'm
can't.
clean. It's one.
Why are
I
you
got it
trying?
again. Never mind. I'm back off.
I think we're all
Who's
low
got that?
boost.
I
Oh,
got.
yeah. You got that?
You, Phantom?
That's all I got.
Nice.
Nice.
I got mid left.
I'm taking back right.
I'm up with you, Phantom. I'm in Gabe.
Yep. I can't go again.
Got it.
I don't
50.
have.
Got the boost.
Yeah.
Took mid left.
Crap shot.
I'm back. I got a
You
bang. Alright, not bad.
Oh, I
got
got.
top left.
Oh, you got.
Bumping.
I can't. So that's further than I thought it was.
Oh,
Oh.
I could bounce.
I'm just gonna challenge because I have nothing I have to do. Okay.
I'll take back left.
It's so awkward, bro. It's on me.
I don't know what I'm
Okay.
doing. My bad.
my God.
I don't know why I said my bad.
Oh, couldn't read it fast
On
enough.
me.
All
Good
good.
try.
Take him out.
I'm going back. I'm a bad. I don't know.
I'll take it up. Actually, you
I'm
go.
back.
I'll turn on with you. Oh my
Oh,
god.
close.
Oh my-
I got.
I mean, that kind of worked. Because I was just gonna get the 50.
I'm in the air right now. That's it.
I'll
Okay, no,
try
I'm back.
and-
Got it. Oh, I can't. Oh my god, that's playing so badly.
All good.
I got
Oh, the
popping.
first game.
Oh,
Get away for this.
mid left. We're rotating behind you, Gabe.
Oh,
I got bump. Oh, okay.
It's safe.
I'm downfield with you. Oh, it kind of worked.
Nice. What?
Nice
Good,
pitch.
guys.
Crazy.
Good.
That was the weirdest thing ever. Sorry for cutting you off, Gabe.
You're good, bro. Don't worry about it.
Oh.
Weirdest pinch of my life.
Oh, by the way, I'm just gonna like say what I need to say at the end of the game,
Alright.
like when
Okay.
you're ready up for the next game.
Left.
I'll cheat.
Yeah. Left. He had the slowest kickoff in the world. Got top left.
I'm back.
Mid.
Back right. I got.
Yep. Oh, yeah.
This side.
I'm not challenging. I'm going back behind you.
Watch
Gabe.
out.
Never mind.
Aw,
Oh,
I got a crappy clear on that. That's my bad.
that's my bad. I honestly, I don't know what I was thinking there. I thought Gabe was a little ahead. That's my bad.
That's all good.
I can honestly say that.
Still ahead.
I didn't have boost for it.
That's my bad.
You just gotta hold on.
Back right.
I'll do you.
Oh,
I got it.
I got back left.
nice. Oh, I'm just gonna grab pads.
I'm up with you.
Oh, I might have.
Back.
I'll catch.
Nice.
Oh, he got it over me when I
Behind you.
flicked. Yes.
Oh, I can't go again.
I got.
Nice. Sorry.
My bad. Give him.
I should have called that.
Oh, good.
Go.
Yep.
Nice.
I'm back.
I'm gonna grab some pads and head back.
Oh.
I gotta hold on.
Oh,
For
I did not mean
25
to take that back
seconds.
boost. I didn't. Okay. Yeah.
I got.
Yeah.
Oh no. Fine, we're
Oh,
fine.
I'm back.
Fine, you got time. Nice.
I'm bumping.
I'll go.
Maybe. You got?
No.
Oh.
Sorry, that's
Nice.
on me.
Nice. Okay.
What?
Clear it. Let's go.
Easy.
Game one.
Alright, so good game one. Good rotations all the way through. But I want to hear some more comms, especially from like you, Gabe. I'm not hearing a lot of comms. And then also you have to
voice
be
is
like louder with
picking
your
up.
comms. Because
Yeah.
like there's no point, like there's no point to be calming if your teammates aren't gonna hear you calming,
Just don't pull a Bryce and
Oh.
calm every 3 seconds. Just don't be
Like-
like, I got it, I got it, I got it, I
Keep
got it, I got
calming
it.
how you're keep calming how you're calming, just like a little bit more frequent and a lot louder. Cause you're being
Nah, bro,
like
I'm just
super
nervous. My voice is like cutting out.
Nah, bro.
It's only
It ain't even
it's only
playoffs
the
yet,
first
just-
series.
Literally just play for fun. It's the first week, you have 5 other weeks to improve if you need to.
Yeah.
Play for fun, do what you know how to do. So
Yeah.
yeah. Just and then also Phantom,
Yep.
stop trying to like force plays with low boost.
Yeah.
When you don't really have to. And then A-pop again, boost. You're using way too much.
This is the one
Okay.
problem. We have the 2 highest boost users on the team.
Yeah, I was thinking about that when the games first started. I was like, how are they gonna
We
survive,
have
bro?
what, a combined
We
total
did
of
it.
like 800 boosts per game?
Literally 800.
Literally
yeah.
like 800 boosts
You
per
have
game.
you have 390 and A-pop has 413.
Yeah. Or I think it was a bit higher. Maybe it can like
And
You guys ready?
And Gabe is like 300, I think,
we
350.
might have the highest boost
Trying to
usage team in
I mean,
everyone.
I think it's all.
Yep, I'll go back.
I'll cheat.
I'm an S tier boost user. Let's go.
Hey, bro.
W.
I didn't even watch the full
Got it.
video.
I just watched the part where I was in it. And then
Yeah.
I got mid right.
I can.
I'll wait.
I'm back post. Venom, you got that?
Good
I don't know why I was trying to. Okay, I got mid
Kinda
right.
worked.
I'm back right.
Trying
Actually,
to
I'm
double?
with you, Venom. I'm back
Oh,
out.
almost. I'm gonna get out. I have no boost.
Oh, I don't know what I'm doing.
I'm good.
Ah, my
Okay,
voice.
Oh, sorry. All good. I got no boost. I'm just gonna clear it out.
Nice clear. Really nice clear, actually.
Leaving. Going back.
Yeah, those
Oh,
boosts are good. Sorry.
Grabbing pads.
Going back left.
Wait for a sec.
Clicking.
I'll go.
I'm gonna bump. Okay. I'm
Gotta
going
go
back.
back. Low boost.
Over me.
I'll take middle.
I'm so
I'll
sloppy
turn.
this game.
Aw. Grab that
I got-
pop. Nice.
I got it again.
One more out middle. I'll catch it.
You good?
And then mine gives up.
Yeah, my bad. I should have called.
All good.
I'm going back.
I'll send it on.
I got mid left.
Far. I bumped that guy.
Take
He's
your back
dead.
left.
I'll take
I
back
got
right.
time. I got time.
On your left.
Oh, my bad. I was trying to flick it left.
All good. I'm front post. I'll help.
Oh my god. I got mid. I got back right. Oh, no, I missed.
Boosts. Back post. I'll wait for his touch. Oh,
I just realized
good
his name.
shit.
I'm going back.
I'm right thing.
Good 50. I'll head back.
You wanna go or okay? I'll just go. I got pumping.
Oh my god, so far. My
Oh,
bad.
good try.
I'm rotating
All
back.
the way behind you. Yeah, I'll get it out.
You
Back
got
over
him.
to
Come on,
Gabe.
Gabe.
Nice, what a
Oh, what a
shot.
bang!
Guys got that.
Down.
I got.
Nice.
My bad. Wait, is that a shot?
Oh,
Took that, right?
all good.
Turn on that? Okay.
Okay.
I'm no boost, by the way. I got back right.
I missed.
I'll hard push that. Fake him. I have one more.
Yep. I have a 19. I can try.
If you're low, you can always go back and one of us will fill in.
Yeah. I think I can't. This is my
Try.
bad.
Too hard.
Wait.
Oh, wait a minute. Like
I'm going back.
It's all good. I didn't need it. I don't have.
You got that?
Oh, I don't. No. Sorry, I missed. You got?
Up to you. I don't have any more.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, it's all good. I need back.
My god, my. Oh!
Wait, pause.
I'm just gonna yank that.
I'm
You got
bumping.
Gabe?
You got that?
Shot. Let's go.
Oh!
Hey, nice.
Gabe
Real
scored
quick-
both the goals.
Real quick thing about comms, like again, Gabe, you have to realize, not to be rude, but you have the two loudest people in the Phantom server, like on your team right now.
Bro, my voice cuts out if I don't talk for like more than 3 seconds. Like it like starts.
you gotta talk a little bit louder.
I got
I
it.
can't.
It's on.
I got
Get
back.
in there.
Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh,
Almost.
You Gabe?
Backboard.
I'm lagging.
Back.
I'm actually lagging. I lagged that.
Go back.
I'm going back.
Take this.
Got back.
Oh, couldn't get that.
You wanna go? Alright, I'll just go.
No. No boost.
And back.
He's chasing me.
I'm dead.
Yep, I got it. Got time though.
I got their boost.
Bounce.
I got.
Nice. I'll be middle. Oh, I didn't expect the second touch.
My bad. I should have called it.
Good.
I think I just
Oh my
bad.
gosh.
Oh,
What is happening?
I'm just gonna.
I got. Oh, never mind.
Good. I got
Keep
no
going,
boost.
keep
I'm going back. Dude, I'm dragging this kid along with me.
Oh,
That went a lot
Good.
lower than I
You got that
I'll
boost?
be back.
I got.
Go.
I'm there.
I'm bumping.
Oh,
Maybe.
he beat
Oh, never
me.
mind. Do you think you give? Nice.
W touch.
I'm going back.
I bumped
It's
him.
okay. By the meantime, at least. I got.
Oh,
Oh,
my
no.
bad. Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. I should have
That was
called
a
it
little
early.
spicy.
Yeah. I'm on the backboard.
Tapping up wall.
I got it.
I
Bang.
bumped.
Nice.
Nice.
Another touch. Ah, so close.
Still mid.
Come on. I
Okay.
can reach it. I 50'd it with him.
I'm going back. I got.
Behind you.
I got
Bang.
nothing.
Oh, he. To me.
Nice.
No.
Come back right.
I can't.
Ah, he'll beat me. Ah, I got the touch on it.
You're last.
I don't know what I did with the ball there.
Ah, I didn't
Oh.
have that. That was my bad. I probably should have gone back.
Pinch.
I
Maybe.
could've called it to
Oh,
me.
that's you, Gabe.
Oh,
I
good
can't-
try.
Oh, my bad. That's
Good
my
try.
bad. That's my fault.
I should have gone back there.
So bad.
Yeah, not much you could do there, Gabe.
That's right. We got that. We got.
Yeah, we got this.
I got right.
I'll cheat. Oh,
Oh, what am I doing?
just beat me. That'll work. I gotta wait.
Pick back left.
Have a small clear.
Oh my gosh, Gabe.
Oh, close.
I got.
Yep.
Oh!
No! I'm gonna get it down and get back in case something happens. Oh, this is Rocket League.
Let's see. I guess.
Left. Ah.
I went right. I gotta work on my kickoff.
I'm doing. Oh, they beat me to boost. I got no boost.
Oh, good. I'm with you.
They're both on me.
Oh,
You got that?
Yep. Oh, he's gonna. So I gotta beat him there. Try and middle it.
One more.
Oh, not the
Okay.
best. I'll get back. I took right.
Go
mid.
back. Took left mid.
Shot.
That's you.
Oh, good save.
Oh,
Bumped one.
you got.
Oh, that's a bad touch. My bad.
Oh, my bad. That's my bad. I'm heading back. Are you fin?
Ooh.
Nice.
I can't.
I'm low boost. I got
can't.
nothing. Oh,
Nice.
nice.
Oh. I'm backwards right now.
Oh god!
No.
The hell?
Oh.
That was, I'm not gonna lie, that was so lucky. What was that? Oh wait, never mind. Never mind. I mean, I guess.
Not much we could do
I don't
there.
know what to say about that.
So, first things first. Overcommitting and like
Yeah.
rotation of things, like cutting each other off way too much, and then also, again forcing plays when really doesn't happen, and that happened with all of you.
Yeah.
You were all forcing plays that really didn't have to happen. So like you just have to know like right there like in that replay that you just saw like Phantom was going for the double, which didn't really have to happen
Yeah.
because all they had to do was really touch it once, and if they miss it and he tries to double it, it could have hit post, but like his teammate would probably be there. Like it's just those little things that you have to notice that to not do because like
It didn't have to happen.
a better outcome can come from not touching the ball.
Mhm.
It's off sometimes.
Yeah.
But that's really just like a thing that you have to notice.
Yeah.
Frank, ready?
One
Yeah.
thing I want to add: always back post. You don't know where to. If we're on defense and you don't know where to go back post.
Yeah, like what just happened with Apop. Like Apop, go back there, go back post there, instead of staying near post backwards.
Yeah.
Back
I got
post,
right.
back post, back post.
Cheating.
Got it. Yep. So, got this.
I got bang.
No.
There's a bang.
I
got-
I can't.
Oh, I'm so bad.
Try.
I'm going back.
Yeah, that's not bad.
I can't count on.
Oh, didn't get the dunk.
I got mid right.
No.
Could have
Nice.
picked you there.
Going back.
I'm back post.
You got
Oh,
that?
yeah.
I bumped him. I'm just gonna keep up with him.
Middle.
Oh,
Oh, he
close.
blocked it.
I beat him to boost. I
Take that time
rotated
with
wrong
that.
way.
Maybe you can get that one more middle. Oh, flip reset. Oh.
I got
Committed a bit. Nice.
mid left.
I'll go.
I got.
Open?
No way.
Nice.
That's
This
Oh,
is
okay.
Vin.
Oh, weird.
Bro,
So
if
weird.
that flip reset had happened.
He missed red so hard.
Yeah.
No,
so
it
weird.
was. It was a self reset.
I got.
I'm
Yeah,
left.
I'll go right.
Oh wait, no, I'm cheating.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, he missed the kickoff. He's doing a fake kickoff. My bad.
You got that?
Yeah, I'll control it.
Yep, yep.
I'm back.
Select him, but when
I got.
there.
He's
Click
fake. I'm
back
gonna fake him.
I'll go from post.
Nice.
No boost, no boost. I have.
My bad, Phantom.
Sorry.
That's all I got.
Taking left, taking back left.
Oh, I didn't. That was open actually. Like it wasn't open,
Wait.
but like.
You
Off.
got that?
Oh wait, I didn't even see a save on my screen.
You got
I
that?
got.
I'll be back post.
I'm gonna just go for like a bump or something.
I tried to send it backwards.
Bumped him.
Shot.
To you, Phantom. Oh my, go crazy.
Let's go.
Hey, let's go.
I don't know why I was so nervous there.
I was nervous to miss that.
I missed my last one. We could have actually won the game if I didn't miss on my last double.
Oh,
Alright.
cheat.
Yep. Oh crap! He should kick off for me. The one thing I really
I'm
need
just
to
up
work
the
on
post.
is my kickoff.
I'm going up. He's gonna be like
Yep.
beat me. What is he doing? He
Grab
backed
his
off.
head.
Backed off. I got it. I got the boost. I got the boost.
Yeah,
Chief.
I shouldn't have done that.
I'm going back.
Taking back left and going
I got
back right and going back post.
Oh, well, I missed.
If you
I got
can.
beaten. I don't know.
Nice.
I might be able to get one more.
Oh, nice. That's on.
Oh,
Let's
Alright.
go. Gabe is the carry. You're the one who's most nervous, and you're just carrying us.
Sheesh.
It's like when we played with Dylan, and he played he played good usually, but if he had to piss like really bad, he played so well.
Because you had to go pee faster and you wanted it to end
Bumped
faster,
him?
probably.
Yeah.
Oh. What is
Oh,
going on?
I'll
I got it over him?
get back.
Maybe?
I can't.
Someone?
No, 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 no. It's over me.
I'll wait. Oh, good try.
Oh,
gotta wait
How
for
did all my
that.
boost go?
my
sorry.
bad, Venom.
I didn't see you back post.
Thank you, Gabe.
Post again.
My bad,
Oh,
my bad, Venom.
shit. I can't. I'm in the wrong spot at the wrong time.
I gotta go
Okay.
back here.
I gotta pay attention to my surroundings.
I got back left.
Damn.
I'm just sitting with to your left.
I'm back
That's an
I'm
post.
just sitting here with no boost like a dog.
Someone can.
Yeah, Gabe, please. Nice.
Yeah.
I'll try and middle it.
I got him dead. I'm
I
dead.
can do. Yep. Yep.
I got.
Oh, you take that boost.
Crap, I have like. Okay, I need to go back.
Yeah, I can't. I can't.
I'm back right. I'll go back post. Good.
Okay,
You got
thank you.
that?
Please boost. I have no boost.
Oh, crappy clear. Watch for shot.
Oh.
I'm sorry.
You're good.
Oh my bad, my bad. I missed. Oh my gosh, thank you, Gabe.
Gotta wait. Nice.
I'm 0, but I'm taking
Great.
mid.
Venom, how do you have 400 points?
Saves. All saves. I'm gonna
I'll go
hurry
back
head
here.
back. I'll push up.
Bumping?
Oh,
okay.
he was there. Oh, he got it again. Watch out, Gabe, your last. Nice.
Oh, my bad.
Oh, almost.
The
So
block.
close.
I'll go back here.
Middle. Oh,
Oh!
Turn touchdown.
all I can do. I'm going back.
Mid.
Oh, no one was there.
Got it. Can you get Venom? Oh,
Oh.
keep
One
I'm
more.
back.
I beat
I got it.
I'm back.
All
I'm
Gabe
getting
for
carried
sure.
too hard.
Oh,
I'm
I
back.
can't.
I got.
Nice. Try and block. What?
I just
Oh,
got
hold
mid
on for
left.
41 seconds. Nice. I'm front post. I'll wait for shot.
You got that?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, I can't. No boost.
I don't think any of us got a boost.
I got.
Yeah, he took the corner. It looks
I have
no-
like 0 here. I know.
Just
no.
conserve as much as you can.
Yeah.
Back post.
I got the
full,
boost. I got the
so
back boost.
someone can grab.
Can't.
I'll just clear it.
I gotta wait here. 24.
2 seconds.
I'm dead.
Got it. Yep.
Got bang.
Nice. I'll get his bang.
That's
Shit.
GG, boys.
GG.
Hit
Put it
back.
down.
Game.
Anyway.
Really good game. I saw like very little mistakes in the game.
Yeah.
Really? I thought it was
better.
out of boost that most of that game.
Yeah, we just gotta,
Yeah, I
we
mean,
just gotta
that
conserve our
was one of
boost
the
a bit.
mistakes. You're still using way too much boost. Fans
Yeah.
actually conserved a decent amount of boost. I was surprised.
Yeah. There were some spots where I could have done it better, but at the end I was just like,
yeah,
conserve,
like you could have grabbed more
conserve.
pads.
Yeah.
In certain situations.
Ugh.
Oh, it's
And
best
then
of 3, right?
Gabe played really good that game.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Overall great game.
But like seriously, actually, Gabe, I didn't hear you calm once that game. I'm not even trolling.
What?
I heard him a bunch.
It may be because I have you low.
Turn
You-
it up.
Like, bro.
Yeah, I have him on 100. Let me
It's a
turn it
lot
up to
louder
12.
now.
Wait, speak?
Yo.
Okay, yeah, that's a lot. That's a lot better.
You didn't have him on 200. Okay, ready up, guys.
You know, Frank?
Oh, there we go.
Here we go.
Yeah, I was commenting a little much that game, but
Yeah. It's all good.
Okay.
Let's do this.
We ready?
Let's get this dub. Get the dubski.
Finish the series. Let's go.
I'll cheap.
Up the floor with these bitches.
Or should I go left?
Yep.
no, CTT.
Go right, go right. Somebody go right.
Yeah.
I'll cheap. Okay.
Oh, it's around me.
Usually
Should I
there,
win?
right? We're to right.
I got.
That's over.
Oh, he bumped me. Oh, I still
Oh, my.
touched.
Nice. Gabe?
I tried that. I was gonna
It's
play
on
slow.
you.
That's my bad.
Oh, good.
I can't.
I got.
Yeah. I got bumped.
Oh,
I got-
watch out.
Nice.
Nice. Recovery.
I'm mid.
Oh crap! I messed that up so bad. My bad. I'm going back. I don't know. Going back.
Yeah.
Back left.
Him at him. Turn. Hit it off.
You got that? Nice.
Hitting again.
Stay back.
I can't. Can you?
Yep, I got it.
I got.
I gotta wait.
Be-
Nice.
To you.
To me? Yep. Oh, a
Okay,
little bit
okay.
copy downwards.
I got
I
it.
was gonna try and pop it over to. I was gonna try
I'm
and
back.
pop that over to Gabe.
Yeah.
Oh, my bad.
I can't. Did not win for that.
Got it.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I'm going back.
I spawned back right.
Okay, okay.
I'm just gonna hit corner.
I got back.
Yep. I'll wait for his touch.
All the way back.
Oh, not the best shot.
Oh my gosh!
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Oh,
actually
I
that's my bad. I should not. I
tried
did
to-
not. I sent that thing flying, dude.
I tried to jump redirect it. I should have just hit it off backboard.
I was trying to slow it down. My bad.
Yeah.
Cheat, don't cheat.
I got.
Yep. I'll go left.
You got that?
I missed the boost. Alright, I got beat to it.
Oh, that's way too
I'm
hard.
back, right?
That works.
Maybe.
Oh,
Oh my
nice.
god!
Cracked. You're actually peeking.
What did you pancake that?
What?
Hell, what did
I
you do?
just hit it.
Oh, okay, okay. I was like, what happened?
How the frick would he pancake it if he wasn't up?
I was back. I did not see anything was going
Back
on.
right.
I thought it was over. So I was like, what happened? I'm back left.
I got over.
Time he might not. Doesn't have a touch.
He's just gonna keep going to be annoying. You got that?
I got.
Yeah. Pop him on. I'm on your left.
Yeah.
Oh, nice shot.
Go crazy, bro.
If all our opponents are like this, I think we should be breezing to number one.
Yeah.
Oh, what a flick. That was a beauty.
Good luck,
I got.
I just nutted a little, but we don't talk about.
My bad. That's my bad. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Gabe's
what a
just so insane.
touch.
Corner.
Be behind you.
Okay, I'm going back. Nice.
Let's pop
You?
off.
I'll go back here.
No.
Oh!
No. Oh.
Corner.
That's okay.
There's-
I don't think that was on anyways.
It was no. Actually,
Okay.
I think it might have been.
Okay.
No.
Behind both of you.
I got.
I'll just cross and head back.
Oh. My bad. I don't know.
I'm leaving it for you.
If you want. Yep.
I'll go ahead. She hasn't.
Over me. Nice.
Oh. Goodness.
Have nothing.
I got it.
Nice, Gabe.
Nice.
I'm back.
I'll be behind you. Actually, I'll go middle.
Gonna go back here.
Okay,
I
I got.
blocked it.
I got.
If you can hit, I'm still middle.
Oh my bad. Oh my gosh.
I got the shot too.
I should be calming more. Okay, I got back.
I took back left. I'll
I'm grabbing.
turn. I don't
I
have
got.
that. Yep.
Okay, hit it again.
I'll go back post.
I got middle left.
I can't.
That's off.
I'm upping.
Clear corner.
You
Good
got it?
right.
Oh, not the best.
I can't.
Oh.
Oh,
I was right behind me,
my
my
bad.
bad, guys. I just had a guess.
I kind of panicked there.
That was a good shot, though.
Yeah.
That was a little too fast, though. I got right.
Cheat.
Yep.
Nice.
Oh.
Got the demo. He doesn't have.
Wait.
Go.
Okay.
That's calculated, bro.
Little
Let's go.
goal.
Exactly. Like, get that demo. Yep. No, he don't have that.
Wait, this is the last game, right? If we win this,
Yep. If we win.
which we gotta have to. Okay, we're
going
gonna get
right.
left. I got left. Oh, wait a minute,
Okay.
not cheat.
Okay.
My bad.
It's all good sometimes when nobody cheats. Just
Yeah.
I'll
You
try
got
and hit
I gotta.
no.
You got Gabe?
He doesn't have it either.
I can just touch up.
Oh,
You gotta go.
I have no boost. I don't have a boost.
Oh,
Oh.
that's my bad. I should have got a better test in.
Okay.
Also, my bad. Something on there. Oh yeah, you can. Probably can see you just with nothing.
Okay, I got. It's all good. We got this.
I'll go left.
It's too powerful.
Got. And a boost.
I got back right.
Feathered. I'm heading back.
I'm upping. Oh my god.
I can't.
Last,
Oh, my
that's
bad.
honest.
Try.
My bad. I should
Alright,
not
we
have rushed up there.
Still got a minute left. It's all good.
I don't know what I
I
was doing.
tried as hard as I could to get back.
That's on me. I could have got to that.
All good.
I don't know. I think that was my fault. I'll see you.
That great.
Go left.
I can't. You? Nice.
Okay. Go back left.
I'll go.
Oh, nice. Got that.
Got front
I'll wait
left.
for the bounce off the wall. Oh, I missed. Watch out.
I got.
There.
Yep.
Hit backboard. No, I ruined it. My bad.
I'll backboard again.
Bump. You got that? Pinch.
Sorry.
That's not me. I'm
Oh.
selling. I'm selling.
So good. I'm low boost, really low.
Waiting.
Nice.
Oh!
No, that's my bad. I should have stopped back post. Gabe got an ass full of my bumper.
Bro, I'm sorry. I wasn't counting because my
no,
sister opened my door. I wouldn't close it.
Good. Bumped on. I'm back post. But wait, only 36 boost. I'll push that.
I'm going back here.
I got.
Oh,
What did you?
Can you go?
I couldn't. I can go on that though. Oh, I could try. Is that 2-2 in the series?
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, game 5 in our first game.
I was doing good at first, but
Yeah, that was our. Yeah, this game's gonna be great. Bro, you ain't
think?
never seen the pressure of like semifinal game 7s. Like it's unmatched.
Just don't even
Good
think
to
about
this?
it as the end of the series. Just
Yeah.
play for fun.
It's the start of the series. We're just here to have fun. We're gonna have fun,
I
bro.
had to wipe my hands off. They're like soaked.
I wasn't able to calm half the game because my sister kept opening my door. It was really annoying.
Honestly, if my door got opened that often, I would literally every time I was in an IGL game, I just like push my dresser against my door. You want in? You gotta kick it the fuck down. Thanks, Zeno.
What's up?
Up, ready?
Oh, MB.
What did you have to say that game, or did you not watch it?
I was. I mean, you guys played fine. Just again with the overcommits.
Yeah, overcommitting a bit.
Oh yeah, for mid.
More back post. I want to see more back post.
Okay. Join up.
Better on boost management and stuff.
Okay, I got.
I'll get right here.
Cheat.
Left. That's the best
I
kick
can't.
Oh my gosh.
What?
I'm back.
That's kind of messy there.
Back post. I got.
Oh, my bad.
Alright.
I got.
Come on, bud.
Yep.
Nice.
I'm back.
You got it. Can you go?
Huh.
Got.
Nice touch out.
I have. I'm heading back.
Okay. I'm roll one. Roll one.
One. All right. Gabe.
He's trying to break
Gabe,
it with
go
his
break it.
wheels.
Go break it. Actually, I'll come break it.
Nice demo.
Fuck that kid. Let's go. Oh.
Oh, what the hell? What?
Well, that's a clip.
What was going on while I was in a roll one? Oh my gosh, this
crap
kid's
on that kid.
insane.
Gabe just crapped on that.
I was over there just in a roll one.
With your
Left
car
hip.
and those skills, they're gonna be like, "Yo, he's smurfing." I
Yeah.
went right. It's fine though. Oh, watch out.
Trying to hit the corner. I can't go again.
Oh.
Door. It's fine. I'm back post.
Nice touch.
Nice.
Got it. Top
Heads
right.
are
I got
again.
top
I
right.
can't.
Oh my!
Nice. Ooh. Gotta wait.
I'm just
Yeah, I'm
buffing
going
these
Yeah,
kids.
but-
I'm going up. Sorry, Gabe.
Post or backboard?
Yeah, you're good.
I got. I'm just gonna keep it like being annoying. And left.
Corner.
Oh,
Oh my
I just
gosh!
Fake him. Oh,
You got that?
Send
off.
Nice.
more back.
Nice. Post. I'm dead.
Nice.
That was so close.
Oh, what a save.
I'm lagging. I'm actually lagging.
That's my bad. It's
All
going
good.
sooner.
I got bang.
You got that?
Shit.
I have no
Yeah.
I
boost.
took the
I'm
boost.
using too much boost. Top left.
I got the boost. Gabe. Nice. Oh, nice.
Bump.
Put again.
Oh, double.
Nice. Not close. I'm taking back left.
Gotta hit corner.
My boost management is better.
I'm
Yeah,
behind you.
nice.
I'm behind you, Phantom.
Oh, you
I
got it.
got it.
Nice.
Try and get it dunk.
Up the back.
Just.
I got.
I'll leave.
Oh.
Oh!
Good one.
Okay.
Oh, I
Unfortunate.
should have gone back.
Bro, that was my best 1v3 ever.
I should have been there quicker.
No, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. We got this,
I didn't
guys.
think he'd be there so fast.
We got this easy.
Easy.
Back
That.
right.
I'll shoot.
Go. Yep.
Yeah.
I'm gonna head back. Take back left.
I'm back.
Over me.
Oh, my bad, no, you got it, you got it.
Oh, it's okay.
You
I
got
have
that.
no boost, I have no boost. Okay, yeah.
I'll go.
Thank you. Gabe, you got this?
Backwards, but sure.
Thank you. I'm
Post
so uncomfortable
now.
right now.
Tried hitting it to the left.
Oh shit.
I overcame. I was
Oh,
actually.
you got that?
I got back right.
Oh
It's
my.
over.
Oh, I whiffed.
Back post.
Oh.
I'll go.
You got that?
Thank you.
Clear it. Everybody reset.
I'm back, right? I
You got
got. Oh my gosh, that was the worst touch ever. My bad.
Why are you challenging there?
These kids are weird.
You got the bang?
Oh, I didn't get the right touch off the
Thank
wall.
you, Gabe.
Nice.
That put me in the best position.
You go for that?
I got. Oh, I can't get it again.
Nice. Oh, I got it again.
I went right. I'm lagging.
Nice.
Up.
I'm actually lagging.
Wide.
Can you get that?
Yeah. I got the mode.
Play 50 there.
One of 'em. Nice.
That's my bad.
Oh, I was awkward. I should know.
Cross.
I still boost. My bad.
Go.
All good.
Oh.
Great.
Oh, good catch. Goodbye.
I can't. I'm back.
I tried bumping.
I'll go.
Playing 50 here.
Oh my gosh, dude.
Nice.
I got bumped.
Oh,
Oh,
good shot.
Ethan.
I'm gonna wait. He's gonna have another one.
Oh, I missed the boost.
I flipped.
Oh,
But he doesn't have.
down. You got that.
There.
I get their boost.
I have.
I can't.
Try.
I got.
Up your
Scan
last.
testing. Oh my gosh.
Come back.
Yep.
I'll push. Ape, I'll go back.
Thank you.
Oh,
That's
I
zero.
don't have.
I got.
Nice.
Nice.
Wait.
Open.
Let's go!
Let's go.
What were they doing? Krusty Krab Pizza. Get out of here, kid. What are you doing?
That's the kid that peaked at Diamond 2.
What's up, guys?
What's up? We're too good. This is Rocket League.
Just hold it for the last
Right here.
second.
Yeah. I'm gonna stay back, honestly.
Just kick off. I can't. You got
Yeah.
that?
Good save.
Upping.
Waiting.
I'll stay on the backboard.
Oh, he missed. Krusty Krab Pizza's nervous.
He's nervous. Hey, Puppy, if you can center that.
Oh,
Nice. That's
God.
GG's. We're winning the series.
Whoa.
Game. The series. Oh, he pops that one kid that leaves after every match.
Oh, thank God, bro. My nerves. My nerves.
They'll get better. They'll get better.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, GG.
We are now 1-0.
Let's go.
There you have it, A Phantom Freshman victory in 5 games. Well played to Papa and Sons, but I have to say this bodes very well for Phantom Freshman to have that clutch factor in that Game 5 situation, with Gabe even popping off with a double tap. Next, we will have to see how Crimson Phantom starts their season. Thanks for watching. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and see you in the next video.